In our last video, we created three shapefiles, the point shapefile, and we digitized the cities, the state cities, and a line shapefile which we digitized the river, three rivers, and also the polygon shapefile which we use to digitize the state boundary. As we stopped at this stage, so in this tutorial we are going to link the attribute information, this shapefile attribute information which is here. Let's open the table, and with external attribute information which is in the Excel format. And the external attribute information, it has each state population, the female and male population. So we are going to link the table, the external table, with this internal table, with the primary key, that is the name, and the secondary key with the external table. So now let's go and check QGIS. This is a folder we created, the data. So this is the table. So now let's open it and make some editing before we can import it into Excel. As we can see, we have to remove these commas because our data, our QGIS data, that is the shapefile data values, is not going to, we are going to do some analysis in the future which is going to, we can have problems with these commas. So we have to remove it. Just click here, and now here you click general, click here. We're going to do some statistical analysis. So now we are going to save it as comma delimited instead of normal Excel format, because comma delimited is the format that most QGIS recognize. So now let's give it another name. Maybe if we like, we should avoid saving any file with space. Here let's say comma delimited CD. So here we are going to select the format CSV comma delimited. We'll now say save. Let's click OK, click yes. Now close this. This is what we are referring to. Now let's go back to our QGIS. Now we are going to import this data. So you just go to layer, add layer, add delimited text layer, click on this. Now we go to file name, okay, desktop, CD. Now say open. So now see, we need only CSV comma delimited. So we now say, so from here, record and field option, we need all the records. We don't need to change anything here. So here, point coordinates, we only need no geometry attribute table. We just need this. We only need this. Just click on this and click on add. It's going to be added here. It's here. CD. So now we close this window. So we now come to the layer we wanted to join. We right click it and we go to properties. So from here we are going to look for join and click on joint. Here you come to this plus sign and click on this plus sign. So join layer, we are going to select state, that is the data. Join field, we are going to select the state, which is the state name. For this we are going to select name. This is the attribute, the external attribute table, and the join field for this external is state, which is showing the state's name. And for this shapefile that we open, that we right click and go to property, it is this name that is showing the state name. So we are going to use the state names to link the two tables. So now you say okay. So now you say okay. So if it works, we are going to see the tables are joined. Let's open and see. So it has worked. Did you see? This is the name, first name for the shapefile, and as you can see, this is a female population, this is a male population. So we have joined the two tables. So you now click. If there is any need for editing, we don't need to edit anything, we have already finished. So this marks the end of this tutorial. If the tutorial is benefit to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.